Good morning everyone, it's Joel from Edencraft and we're out here on this beautiful day going through Brad's brand new 233 formula. This formula's got a set of 200 Suzuki lightweight motors on the back and we've gone for a wave breaker and a bimini top.
I met Brad over 10 years ago when he built his Edencraft 565, which has been a beautiful boat. In fact, he actually just sold it to his brother and upgraded to his dream boat, the 233 formula. It's been awesome working with Brad. He's been really involved, he's been coming in the factory a lot and he's had a lot of involvement with all the positions of the rod holders, where we put the snapper racks and the angles of each of the rods. Obviously he's very particular on how he likes his boat set up and it's been really good for us to accommodate that and build his dream boat together.
Brad's really set this boat up for some serious fishing. Up top we've got the rocket launcher with 10 rod holders as well as a shotgun outrigger holder, a set of steady lights for night fishing, and he's put an extra rod holder on the side here for when he's marlin fishing. He can put his bait rods easy to grab when you mark bait and you want to drop down. Really good addition, he's got one on each side here. On the sides we've got a set of swinger outriggers, so for marlin season he's all set. When Brad's snapper fishing we've got a set of snapper racks that fix to the bait board and they come around here and drop in the rod holders. We've got another set of snapper racks that go on the bait board here, so there's no shortage of rod holders. We've got a big bait board ready for his snapper fishing and a huge live bait tank for when he's marlin fishing. Also out the back we've got a set of slimy tubes on either side ready for switch baiting some marlin. These dive doors are unreal. They've got a beautiful angle on it so it stops the water coming in. They seal really well. They're on a hinge so it's easy to open, swing it open and lock it in place. And then if you want to remove it, this is simply a pin you can pull out and the whole dive door can come out. Really good update on these boats. This dash layout's super simple. We've got two 12-inch Simrad screens. We've got our two Suzuki gauges, which gives us all our engine data, fuel usage and fuel consumption here. We've got our dual binnacle, which is really neat. You can run them as single lever or dual lever. We've got our start-stop button and we've got our trim tabs, which are easy to see, the levels of the Lenco trim tabs, the lights where our trim tabs are at. On this side, we've got our Sav winch button, which is really simple to watch the winch coming up and down. And underneath here, we've got our Simrad radio and all our buttons to turn all our lights and pumps and everything on. With the wave breaker, it's fantastic. You can sit down and get really good vision through the glass, or you can stand up and look through the clears.
We've got the 1 kilowatt through-hole transducer going into these twin Simrad 12-inch screens. Here we're cruising along at 30k. We've got a really nice bottom picture, being able to pick up a little bit of bait. This would be great for Brad finding his snapper and when he's offshore marlin fishing.
A huge congratulations to Brad and his family. It's been an honour building this boat with you guys and I can't wait to see the memories you guys create as a family.